Now see. So this visual paradigm is already open. Now, so the first question is use word to type the algorithm for the following. So this question already I have discussed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. You have
Second,
discussed.
yes. Second question is use word to type algorithm to accept price, quantity, and product that has been purchased and display total amount spent. So this question also I have discussed. Yes or no? Now come to the
Yes.
second question. Write an algorithm and draw a flow chart in Word for the following. So see here everyone. Write an algorithm to calculate. So first one is very easy. So first one is very easy. So see first one, write an algorithm to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle.
Perimeter of a rectangle.
Yes. So for question number A, I am writing the steps. Step 1, write an algorithm to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Start algorithm. Every algorithm start with start. Step 2. Step 2 is step number 2. Step number 2 is input rectangle is the input length len. Step number 3
Yes.
input breadth. Breadth we can take as br. Step number 4 calculate the
Yes.
perimeter of rectangle. Calculate
That is
perimeter of
going to
rectangle.
length plus breadth.
That is
2 into
perimeter.
length plus breadth.
Perimeter is equal to, that is per is equal
2
to
into length plus breadth.
into 2 into L plus 2 into like this br. See here, you have to take like this 2 into length, as you have already length variable I have taken here in step number 2. So same here also you need to use. Here we have used br, so same br also you have to use. Okay, so either you
Yes,
need to
sir.
write in this way, or you can also write in this way also. 2 into bracket len plus
Plus
br.
BR.
Okay, then this way also
Yes,
you can
sir.
write. Now step number 5. Step number
Stop.
5. What is
No,
display?
no, sir. No, sir. Display the perimeter of the rectangle.
Display perimeter. Display perimeter. So
Perimeter.
display perimeter. Display perimeter of rectangle. Some discussion is going on. So see here, that is print what? Print or display? That is display per. Here you write perimeter PRI in this way. Okay. So more clarity will be there if you write like this perimeter. Okay. And step number 6.
Yes, sir.
Step number 6 is
Stop.
stop or end. So
Yes,
clear to
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now for this question, so this one is what? Write an algorithm and draw a flow chart. अब इसके लिए हम लोग flow chart कैसे draw करेंगे? See here everyone. So this one is the algorithm. Next one is the flow chart. For this question only, we have to draw the flow chart. Now see the flow chart in the visual paradigm. Visual paradigm. See here the flow chart in the visual paradigm. So everyone see here. Start of the algorithm is symbol is there, start symbol. Which one is the start symbol? This one. So take this start here. Start. Okay. Now after that we need to take the input. How many inputs is required?
और भाई क्या हाल है? रसगुल्ले दे दियो.
Yes, what is going on in the background?
मन नहीं करता खाने का? अरे यार मन तो बहुत करता है, लेकिन पापा डांटते हैं.
Now see here everyone. So the first one is a start, then we have to take the input. So input we can take with input statement. See here, this one. So here is input. What? Input
Input the
length.
length and the breadth.
Input length. Now again here we need one more input. So click on this. Click on this. Again input box is required. Input breadth BR. Okay. So length we have taken. Breadth also we have taken. Next, after calculating the length and breadth, we need what?
Sir, processing box.
We need one processing box. This one. We need one processing box.
Processing box.
We need processing box. That is PER is equal to perimeter meter equal to
Length into breadth. 2 into length plus breadth.
2 into length plus breadth. PER.
Breadth.
Like this bracket. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that we need one output box. Okay. Display what? PER.
So this box will be not.
Which box is required? Output and input box is same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So display the perimeter in this one
Yes,
only. इसी में perimeter भी display होगा. Display perimeter. After that, this one is a very simple. Stop.
Just stop.
Somewhere stop box is there. Which one is the stop box?
Sir,
Seventh one.
next to circle.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Done. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Yes. So this one is also discussed. Now the second question. Come to the second one. Second one question is, what is the second question is, calculate and display the table of 10. Table of 10. So first I will discuss which one. Flow chart पहले discuss करते हैं, उसके बाद algorithm लिखेंगे, ठीक है ना? Because this one is some difficulty in writing the algorithm. So I will not write the algorithm first. First I will discuss the flow chart only. Because flow chart is easy for this one. Both is easy, but for this question I have not discussed the how to write the algorithm. Algorithm कैसे लिखेंगे इसके लिए मैंने अभी तक नहीं बताया था. Flow chart कैसे लिखते हैं वो मैंने बताया है, ठीक है ना? So see here everyone, for the second question, calculate and display the table of 10. So table I want to print of 10. So see here everyone. So first statement is what? This start box. Take this start box. So here start. Now after that, which one is required? One input is required. Or
Yes,
it's
sir.
either, see here, don't disturb. So here either we will take the input box, या तो हम लोग input box लेंगे या processing box भी ले सकते हैं. Why? Because here the input is not required. If you want to take, you can take, because here the question is calculate and display the table of 10. So 10 value is fixed. It is not changing. It is a fixed value. So direct we can take in a processing statement also. Okay. So here
Yes, sir.
directly I am taking in the processing box. Directly I am taking in the processing box only. Okay, now see here everyone. So this one is what? Calculate and display the table of table. So start box. After that directly you can take the input. Directly we can take the processing statement. Why? Because the value here is fixed. Table जो print करना है fixed है, static है, 10 है. ऐसा नहीं है कि every time ये change करेगा. Already it is given in the book. Table of 10 required. So I am taking one input in the process. I am taking one processing statement, not the what input statement. Table is equal to 10. One variable I am taking here, table equal to 10. Okay. Now after that, अब हमें टेबल प्रिंट करना है. So in order to print the table, we will use what? Looping statement. We will use the looping. Not normally हम print नहीं करेंगे. Yes or no? So we will print using the looping. So हमें एक क्या करना पड़ेगा, स्टार्ट और एंड फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए मैं क्या लेने जा रहा हूँ, वन काउंटर वेरिएबल हियर. So और count equal to 0. I am taking here count equal to 0. After that I am incrementing the value of count in the processing box only. Count equal to count plus 1. Count equal to count plus 1. Already this question already I have discussed how to print the table of any number. Count equal to count plus 1. Now after that I will use the decision box here. Decision box. See here everyone. Decision box I will take. Why? To check whether the count value is less than 10 or not. Is, here we will write is count less than equal to 10 or not. Count जो है less than equal to 10 है कि नहीं वो चेक करेंगे. So if it is less than 10, if it is count value is less than 10, then what we will do, print. ठीक है ना, टेबल को प्रिंट करेंगे. So print we will take in the output box. Print of what? Table into count. Table into count. Table into count. Table into count. Now from here, after that we will come back to the count only. हम लोग count पे वापस आ जाएंगे. Okay, if it is false means stop. हम लोग stop कर जाएंगे. Stop box is this one. Stop. Now tell me everyone, this flow chart is clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Earlier also, इससे पहले भी मैं ये फ्लो चार्ट बता चुका हूँ. So see here.
Yes, sir.
अब क्या करना है, स्टार्ट है. Here see everyone. Here 10. टेबल में 10 वैल्यू है, वेरिएबल है 10. Here count value is 0. Count equal to count plus 1. What is the value of count? काउंट का वैल्यू हमारे पास 0 plus 1 1 हो गया. 0 plus 1 not 0. ये 0 यहाँ पर था. आफ्टर दिस 0 plus 1 काउंट में अभी 1 हो गया और टेबल में 10 है. दो वेरिएबल हमारे पास है, टेबल और काउंट. तो काउंट में वैल्यू 1 हो गया, टेबल में 10 हो गया. नाउ आई एम चेकिंग हियर, इज काउंट लेस देन 10. काउंट में अभी वैल्यू 1 है, इज 1 इज लेस देन 10. ट्रू. ट्रू मींस हियर प्रिंट टेबल इनटू काउंट. टेबल में क्या वैल्यू है, 10 इनटू काउंट. 10 इनटू 1 मींस 10 प्रिंट हो जाएगा. नाउ अगेन फ्रॉम हियर वी विल कम बैक टू हियर. काउंट इज इक्वल टू काउंट प्लस 1 मींस काउंट का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा. काउंट में पहले वैल्यू 1 था, 1 plus 1 2. काउंट में अब वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगा और टेबल में वैल्यू 10 ही है. Now is count is less than 10. Is 2 is less than equal to 10. True. True means again print table into count. Table means 10. Count means 2. 10 into 2 will be printed. Again we will come back. Count is equal to count plus 1. Count का अभी वैल्यू 2 है. 2 plus 1 3. 3 will be stored in the count variable. That means count value is 3. Table value is 10 only. Now here 3 less than count less than 10. 3 less than 10. Again it is true. True means print table into count. Table में value 10 है, count में value 3 है. 10 into 3 will be printed. Again we will come back to here. Okay, count is equal to count plus 1 means 3 plus 1. Count में value 3 है. 3 plus 1 4. 4 will be stored in count. Now is count less than 10? So yes. So ये this whole it is inside a loop. ये तब तक चलेगा. See here, जब तक count का value क्या आएगा. Suppose the value of count is 10 here. 10 is less than equal to 10. True. So print table. Table में value 10 ही है, count में value 10 है. So 10 into 10 will be printed. Again it will come here. Count is equal to count plus 1 means count का value 11 हो गया. Table में 10 ही है. Is count is less than 10. Is 11 is less than 10. It is false. False means we will come back to this side. Stop.
Stop side.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
So the same I will for this. Yes, here. For this only I will write the algorithm. इसी फ्लो चार्ट के लिए टेबल के लिए हम लोग कैसे एल्गोरिथम लिखेंगे, सेम ये टेबल, ये फ्लो चार्ट देखिए, जैसे जैसे फ्लो चार्ट, व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड, व्हाट इज फ्लो चार्ट, इट इज एन डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एल्गोरिथम। एल्गोरिथम को डायग्राम के फॉर्म में लिखना ही फ्लो चार्ट होता है। सो ये दिस वन इज व्हाट, फ्लो चार्ट। तो ये फ्लो चार्ट जो है किसके बेसिस पे बना है, एल्गोरिथम के बेसिस पे। एल्गोरिथम को डायग्रामेटिक फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया है, ठीक है ना। तो अभी मैं रिवर्स करने जा रहा हूँ। रिवर्स मींस ये फ्लो चार्ट है, अब इसको हम स्टेटमेंट में लिखेंगे। इसी फ्लो चार्ट को स्टेटमेंट में कैसे लिखेंगे अब मैं बता रहा हूँ। ओके, इफ एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट, सो आई विल come back to here in order to show you. Okay, so now come to the flow chart, this algorithm, how we can write for the same table. So first step is what, अगर algorithm को आप flow chart को देखिए, flow chart को ध्यान में रखना है। So first one is what, start. First one is what, start. Now second one is what, second मैंने क्या लिया था,
The table is equal to 10.
Table is equal to 10.
take table
Is
table
10.
equal to
of
10.
10.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
or direct here you can take table equal to 10, directly you can write. Step 3,
Count is equal to 0. Count
Okay.
is equal to 0.
initialize counter, count equal to 0.
Zero.
Initialize counter variable, or direct you can write. You all will confuse, so direct you can write count equal to 0. Okay, now after that what I have written,
Sir, count is equal to count plus 1.
step 4, count equal to
Count plus 1.
Count plus
equal
1.
to count plus 1. After that what I have done,
Sir, in decision box you have
Yes,
written
yes.
that each
Okay.
count less
Now
than
see
equal
here.
to.
so here you have to write, if the count value, if count is less than 10,
Equal
less than equal to 10, less than equal to 10, then see here everyone, then go to, यहाँ पे
Step six.
this one is here, yes, very good, go to where, step number,
6.
go to where, if count is less than this, then go to,
Step number 4.
if count is less than this, then go to step number, see here everyone, just wait, just now see here, if count is less than equal to 10, then go to step, which step I will tell, just wait, go to step, which step I will tell, just wait, step number 6, step number 6 क्या है, print
Print the table.
print
Print
table
table
into
to count.
count. So see here, if count is less than equal to 10, अगर less than 10 रहेगा मीन ट्रू होगा, तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, प्रिंट कर रहे थे ना, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then here
Yes, sir.
in the step number 5 we will write, if count is less than equal to 10, then go to step number 6, step number 6. Okay, count
Yes,
is
sir.
less than, then go to step number 6, and here print the table and then
Go to step number
and then
3.
go to step number
Step number 4.
step number 4, that is count is equal to count plus 1. Very good answer, Ani. Step number 7. Now see here, if count is less than equal to 10, जब तक हम less than 10 देंगे, then go to 6. If count value is 11, means if count is less than equal to 10, then go to step 6. Otherwise means false जब हो जाएगा, otherwise go to step
Step 7.
Step 7 is
7.
Step 7.
Stop.
Stop. Or and.
Stop.
समझ में आया सारे लोगों को कैसे लिखना है?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So in this one, this type of algorithm I have not discussed. Okay, till now. So you can write the algorithm for this. This one is what? Fixed table. ये table fixed है. You can write for any table also. Any table के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Input लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. Input table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you want the fixed table, so write like this, table of 10. So in this way, we will write the algorithm for what? For printing or displaying the table of 10. So both algorithm and flowchart I have discussed. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
So one question is pending. Again, it will take some time. ये जो क्वेश्चन जो है ना इसको प्रॉपरली because here we have to write the algorithm and flowchart both. So algorithm flowchart तो इजीली मैं दिखा दूंगा. Algorithm आपको जैसे in this algorithm go-to is used. In the same way for this also some go-to will be used. So that I will discuss in the next class. Anyone have any doubt till here? यहाँ तक में किसी को कुछ डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So bye everyone. And this question, whatever I have discussed. Yes, listen. Whatever the question I have discussed, listen everyone.
Bye.
Listen everyone. Whatever today I have discussed, the same I will give the homework. And don't ask again.
Okay, sir.
Listen properly. And don't ask again that sir send the answer also. I am not going to send the answer. Everything I have discussed in the classroom. सारा सब कुछ डिस्कस कर दिए हैं. So again I will not send the answer. Use your brain also.
Okay.
Otherwise take the screenshot. So bye everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.